Well, that didn't work that well, did it?
Nope.
No. Too bad. Here, what? You want to try and drive it for a minute?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? I'll get it going.
Wyatt's gonna start driving the helicopter. And I think you heard that.
Whoa. Give it some gas. Here, give it some gas.
Jeez,
I
bro.
didn't turn it.
Remember, like this. Give it gas. There you go. Bring it back over here. Whoa. Okay, go get it.
Crash landing.
Crash landing. Here, here. Oh, ah! Hey, watch out. You gotta be careful.